I've shown you how I wrap the drums, so now I'm going to show you how I unwrap them. This is an original gunmetal grey wrap. The guy I'm doing a restoration for wants to change it to black, but I always take real care taking these off, because if you're careful enough you can reuse them, and the shells are generally drilled exactly the same, so if you're careful and take it off, you can actually put it back onto another shell with no issues. The way I get it off is there's obviously an adhesive strip down here, so I borrow the missus's hairdryer, get it as warm to the touch, and I'll use a blunt, well, rule in this case, and work my way back on the seam until it comes apart. So we've got the wrap off, and the edges, there's a little bit of a dog ear there, look, but the rest of it's fine. And that bit, once that's double taped down, it'll be very difficult to see. And this side, you just need to clean this adhesive off, and then you can reuse it. To someone, this is absolute gold dust, so keep hold of your wraps.